You to subjugate me. Your newspapers, radio, TV, put you in the public eye. This is what they do. So the world can pass judgment on you. On you. Passing judgments on you. Sin has them in bondage, controlling everything they do. They know now that they're not their own. He through them speaks through. The mastermind, psychological warfare. Mastermind and psychological warfare. An executive who's mastered the art of manipulation. He's systematically declining your existence. He's infecting the youth and suppressing the truth with incessant persistence. And let the Lord free you from the bondage of Him. From the bondage of sin. For in the end there's only one truth that will be known for fulfillment. God's testament. His own judgment.